In this experiment, a simple potato cannon is made using a PVC pipe, a potato, and some aerosol spray. First, a potato is pushed into one end of the pipe, creating a tight seal. Then a quick burst of aerosol is sprayed into the chamber, followed by sealing it for a moment. Once ignited using a lighter, the pressure builds up rapidly. With a loud pop, the potato flies out with impressive speed, showcasing the power of combustion and air pressure. Not only is it thrilling, but it also teaches about gas expansion and energy conversion.